Today I'll be replacing a 530 motorcycle chain. I don't know how to do this, but we're gonna find out together. Both sprockets look okay. There's not a lot of extra wear, so we're not gonna be replacing those today, just the chain. Got the new chain ready to go with a master link. First gotta get the old one off. I'm gonna use an angle grinder, and I don't have power out here where I'm at sufficient, so I'll plug it into a generator. Okay, I'm gonna attempt to just use a screwdriver to pop this chain link off. So I'm going to zip tie the old chain to the new chain and pull it around. That way I don't have to mess up with taking everything off, getting access to the sprockets or anything like that. I'm going to put this together pretty tight and then pull the new chain on with the old chain. Hey, that worked. Here's the zip tie. Now I just got to cut that off and figure out the slack thing after I connect it. So this new chain is a whole lot longer than the old chain, so I'm going to have to take out a whole bunch of links here to make this work. Figure out how to do that next. I'm going to loosen up the axle and get the wheel to where there's plenty of slack first before taking the links out. Trying to get this link out using a chain breaker, and after a few tries it didn't work. Maybe it wasn't lined up right, and we have success. So I've got the pin out here. Now we can resume. I can put this chain back together using this and the master link and clip. Oh yeah, I gotta take the second one out first. So we remove the whole link. Can't just take one pin out. It has to be two, I guess. Okay, I've got the master link on. You can see the clip there, but I've still got quite a bit of slack here. So I'm gonna see if just a wheel adjustment will get the slack out, or if I have to take more chain links out. Well, I don't know why I keep resorting to bungee cords to fix these things, but I had to pull the wheel forward more because I got down to one link being too far away, and I removed one last, and I could not get those two to hook up. They're just 1/8 inch too far away, so pull the wheel up forward as much as I can and see if that'll help. All right, now that the chain's back on, I have to see how much play is in it by measuring how much slack we got. So we want between 1 inch and 2 inches of play. Well, that's that. I'm all done. Took a total of 6 links out of it. It is on here. Seems to be pretty tight. I got it all the way up into 4th gear just up here on the stand, but I'm not going to take it out on a ride because it is raining and I just don't want to get the mud and grit into the new chain right off the bat. So we'll test it out on the road another time, but that's it for now. I think it worked. Maybe.